Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape direction compass icon in Photoshop. Create a square canvas in Photoshop. Select the custom shape tool from the shape list. Choose a compass or arrow shape. Draw the compass base shape. Change fill color to dark gray. Duplicate the shape. Ctrl plus G. Resize duplicate slightly smaller. Now change its color to lighter shade. Rotate the top shade using Ctrl plus T. Add small and lighter using type tool. Center everything carefully. Add subtle drop shadow if needed. Zoom in to refine edges. Compass icon looks sharp. Custom shape icon is ready in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.